How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add level to a list in Geometry Dash. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the Create tab on your Geometry Dash. And from here, we have the book icon at the bottom corner of our screen. Basically, you could switch between this by clicking on this button. Now, inside the My List option, you could just click on New. In here, you can name your list to whatever you want to. I'm going to name this New 1. And then from there, let's click on the back button. And then we can see our list right here. So as of the moment, there isn't a level onto this list. But to simply add one, you can just head over to the search function. And then I'm going to head over to the trending tabs. And right after, looking for the level that you want to put on your list, you can just click on view, and then there will be this book icon. Simply click on it, click add, and then there you have it. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.